towards the Cockatiel. Hey, what's up, dude? What are you doing? Hey, hey, how you been, buddy? Hey, you got anything to say for us? Hey, don't just stare at me. You've been making noise this entire time. Come on, bud. Really? That's very informative. Thank you very much for that. Wow. I'm very glad to be in your presence today. That the very silent presence. I mean, wow. One like that this morning. Jesus. That's nice, man. Thanks. Yeah, you're gonna stop making noise now. Wow. It's very original. Thanks. Wow. Thank you. What if I leave the room? We'll see. For now, I'll give you my socket. Wonderful socket. Hey, you gonna talk now? Wow, thank you. I don't know what that means, but okay. What if I do this? Hey. Okay. Thanks. Oh, look at that. Nice, bro. I'm gonna open the cage now for you. Hey. Hey, how you been? Don't bite me, dude. That'd be mean. Come on. Hey, check it out. What are you doing? Wow. Hey. Hey, buddy. No. Thanks. Isn't that cool? What are we doing, huh? Oh. Hey, don't bite that, bro. See what I mean? This is terrible. What an absolute genius of a bird, you know. See. What can you do? The genius of a bird. Come on, dude. Play the piano. Yeah. No? Wow. Hey, hey, what are you doing? Get off of the camera, bro. Wow, you're a genius. You can't do that. You can't eat that. That's not edible, and you can't even get it out, bro. Wow, really? Okay, man. What other genius ideas do you have? Wow. Wow. That's nice. Look at that. Bro. do you think that's gonna do, huh? What are you gonna do about that? You gonna try and eat that? You've been trying to eat this red light. You can't eat the red light. It's common knowledge that you can't just eat a red light. That, I mean, serious. Really. Yeah. Yeah, you know. Hey, hey. Hey, come here. Hey. Hey, come here. Hey. Hey. He has a tendency to eat his own poop, and that's wonderful. Wow. Hey, man. Hey. You want to tell me what's up? No. You want to explain to me why you eat poop? Hey? Don't ignore me. That's not the point of this video. Hey. Hey, look at you. Uh-oh. Okay. Get up here. Oh. Yeah. Absolutely. Come here. No, hey! Hey, don't eat that. That's poop. Dude. Bruh. Jesus. Oh, no. Why would you do that? Come here. That's absolutely terrible. I don't understand you. I mean, what's the secret behind this? Is there something in poop that's good for you? Like, I want to hear from you about this. Wow. Thank you, George. There's my beetle. That's Paul right there. Wow. And that's George. Oh. I don't know where the other ones are. Wow. I have a little ecosystem going on here. That's my tiny pond, and that was made on accident. I didn't mean to make that. I made it anyways. Absolutely terrible. I mean, I don't know why I did that. That was stupid of me. I mean, I shouldn't have poured all that water in there. I mean, really, come on. I just like Noah's Ark all over again. These poor bugs, man. I don't understand. These bugs. Very self-sufficient. Look at him. That's a slug. Wow. They like to hide inside of the plant. As you can see over there, those right there, those are beetles. I think that's John and Ringo over there. As you can see, there's a chord organ. A pile of clothes. That's terrible. It's messy. There's another chord organ. That's a picture. I think that's self-explanatory. Oh, but it might not be. Jesus. I still have this on. It's house now. George. Go back into the cage, George. It's time. George. George. George, no. George. Oh my Lord, George. Oh, George. Dear Lord, George. Here you go. Really, George. Okay, let me get him. Hey, that's... No, don't do that. Come on. Look at that. George. Yeah, that's it, George. You're going in the cage. You didn't make any noise for me. I mean, come on. Yeah, what are you going to do about that, George? I'm not going to do anything about that. That's right, because you're a bird. You Screw you, George. You suck. Look at you, stupid bird. Idiot. Terrible. Awful. Hate you, man. You suck. Look at you. What's your problem, huh, George? You suck, George. Get a life, bro. I'm more productive than you, George. What are you doing, George? Yeah, screw you, George. You suck. Yeah. I mean, really, George. Come on. I don't understand, George. I mean, yeah. Hey. Ow, thank you. It's not going to do you anything, George. I mean, you should know by now that it's just not going to do anything, George. George. George, no. George. Oh, George. Hey, George. You're nice, George. Oh, George. George. Oh, George. Hey. George, what the... No. George. Jesus, George. Let me find George. Where's he at? George. Don't do that, George. That's nasty. Hey, George. That's been nice talking to you. George, for you, George. George, why don't you speak to me, George? George. George. Come on, George. George. cleaning yourself. You're dirty. George, you suck. You're definitely not a duck. George. Should have named it George. I don't think that rhymes. George, you sound like that's what you sound like, George, in the morning. You wake me up, George, before you go to If only you would bake in the morning, because you keep waking me up. You're not baking. Jesus, George. George, you're making a lot of noise. Oh, George. George, that's what you sound like in the morning, George. My Lord, George. That's what I mean, he's making noise right now. Thank you, George. You suck, George. God, George.